Before starting, my full support to Yellow House because I belonged to Yellow House when I was here. Respected Bishop, respected fathers, the chief guest, my co-chief guest, parents, children, everybody, warm good evening. Ellargu namaskara. I would speak both in English and Kannada alternatively. It has been 37 years since I have come first time to this place. 37 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯಿತು ನಾವು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸಲ ಈ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಮರೀಸ್ ಟು ಶೇರ್, ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಮರೀಸ್, the place where I evolved, where I metamorphosed, where I graduated from a small boy to a mature person. I was the topper in 10th standard. Therefore, this is the place where my teachers molded me. First and foremost, before I start, I would like to thank all the principals, headmasters, teachers who are there. I see two familiar faces. David sir is here, Dolphin miss is there. Those are the two familiar teachers. Nagaratna madam is here. First and foremost, I would like to convey my regards to them. Those were the teachers who were there then, who molded us into a very mature person, should I say. Thank you so much, teachers. As far as the school is concerned, I told it was 37 years, 37 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯಿತು. That was the only school, Lutz Boys School was the only school which was English medium then. I joined here in 86. So getting a seat in Lutz Boys School itself was an achievement. That itself was very difficult. In local parlance, we used to call it as Carment. Though it was a convent, they used to call it as Carment. That is how people that time it was called. So getting a seat in Carment in itself was an achievement. Therefore, maybe that was the greatest thing which could happen to me in my life. Getting a seat in Carment in Lutz Boys School was the biggest achievement. Thanks so much to the teachers then who gave me a seat here. Elizabeth Miss was a UKG teacher. I did not do LKG here. UKG I studied here. Elizabeth Madam was our first madam. I should remember madam here this time. Then there were a lot of series of teachers who molded us. I think it is the right time I should remember them. Maybe in 7th standard we had Mary Miss, Lurda Miss, maybe David sir would be remembering, maybe other teachers would also remember. They were the people who used to who molded us, who could the real potential which was there inside could be brought out only because of these people. I should remember Jacinta sister, when we came to high school bandaga, madam took as the principal headmaster of the high school, brought in lot of changes which really inspired us to bring the board of honor, the people who get first places in SSLC. The board was brought then. That was the biggest source of motivation. Madam brought in lot of curricular activities, co-curricular activities. The best boy award was initiated then. That was a lot of motivation for us, a lot of inspiration. That is how it brought out a lot of talents hidden inside curricular activities, co-curricular activities. As the anchors were rightly telling, the Lutz Boys School is always an embodiment of values, truth, peace, as well as light. Lutz Boys School has always been upholding the values of secularism, which was very much evident. We started with Bharatanatyam, we went global. There was a Brazilian dance. I think that think locally, act globally. The secular values of Indian tradition, respecting all religion, the values of truth, all these were inculcated among us then. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to Lutz Boys School. Thank you to all the teachers who inculcated all these values in us. Maybe because of that, I could sustain a lot of challenges. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಬಿ ಟ್ರೂತ್ಫುಲ್, ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರೈಟ್ಲಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್, ಟ್ರೂತ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ come what may, you should always uphold truth. I know this is not the time to give sermons, neither am I a father to give sermon, but despite that, come what may, uphold truth. There might be shortcuts. Despite that, uphold truth. Whatever is the difficulty, never lose truth, never lose confidence in yourself. If I have to confess here, I was not a very, very bold kind of person, a very timid kind of person, but all this I could overcome because of the values which were inculcated here. A word of advice to the parents: kindly allow your children to explore themselves. They are rich, they have a lot of rich potential. Neither myself nor my parents nor my teachers thought that I would be a police officer. Let us not create biases, let us not prejudice, let us not stereotype that this person will become this. Never know who will become what. I myself never thought that I would be a police officer, but after doing 15 years of service, I think that I have reasonably done well, at least for my conscience, I can tell that. Therefore, never ever, this is the piece of advice to the parents. ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಂದ್ರೆ, don't have a prejudice, no stereotypes. ಇವನು ಈ ಥರ ಇದ್ದಾನಂದ್ರೆ ಇವನು ಇದಾಗ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವನು ಅದಾಗ್ತಾನೆ. Let us not stereotype. Let them explore all their potential. The responsibility of parents is that you should give the children the best of the opportunities. Let them explore themselves. That is the piece of advice I always give to the parents. And children have a piece of advice. As one advice, I've already told you that we always be truthful. The second advice is always be bold, take bold decisions. I do repent at times. A couple of decisions in my life, I was not very bold in taking a couple of decisions for which I repent. Therefore, never be scared of taking bold decisions, but at the same time, a piece of caution is never be in a haste. I do repent. If I ask me, I see myself in these boys who were doing anchoring. I see myself in all these children. Therefore, if I have to rewind life, if you ask me what I would like to correct, that would be piece of advice to my younger colleagues, younger friends. Kindly don't be scared of anything in life. Be bold. Have faith in yourself. Don't make haste decisions. This is what I have been repenting. Therefore, I don't want you all to do these same mistakes. What should I say? A lot of memories with this school, lot of this thing. First and foremost, I would like to thank the father, David sir, all the teacher staff here for giving me an opportunity. I just love coming to Lutz Boys School. It refreshes a lot of my memories. It makes me more young. It makes me more youthful. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. Thanks for the felicitation. Whenever we get felicitated in our school, where we grew up as mature adults, I think that is the biggest felicitation we can get. Very recently, I got felicitated in Mysore Medical College as well. Mysore Medical College is celebrating 100 years of its existence. The Mysore Medical College was started in 1924. Now it is celebrating 100 years of celebration. Therefore, I was felicitated even there. Therefore, maybe this is a very lucky year. I'm so happy that I'm getting felicitated, getting an opportunity to go to all the places where I studied. Thank you so much. I don't want to stand in between the cultural evening. Thank you so much. Thanks, my respects, my regards to all the teachers who were there then, now, all the fathers, all the management staff who were there then, now. Thank you so much. My regards, my respects to all those people who molded me to take up the challenges of life. Thank you so much, and best of luck to all my friends. Thank you so much.